lessons in 100.
Get back. I'm alright, Jack. Keep your hands off of my stack. Money, it's a hit. Don't get me back to good bullshit. I'm in the high fidelity first class traveling section. I think I need a lift jet.
She's crazy like a fool.
What about Daddy Cool?
like a fool.
What about daddy cool? I'm crazy like a fool. What about daddy cool? Daddy, daddy cool. Daddy, daddy cool. Daddy, daddy cool. Daddy, daddy cool.
She's crazy like a fool.
What about daddy cool? I'm crazy like a fool. What about daddy cool? Daddy, daddy cool. Daddy, daddy cool. Daddy, daddy cool. Daddy, daddy cool.
She's crazy about her daddy. Oh, she believes in him. She loves her daddy.
us.
MF Doom,
Mr.
Mr.
Fantastic,
Fantastic.
villain.
What up, nigga?
Ain't nothing. What's the word?
It's cracking, boy.
Same old shit, kid.
Man,
Different day, you
rap
know?
snitches, man. Shit is bugged out, man. What the fuck, man?
Shit, you telling me.
Niggas running their mouth, telling everything. Everything.
Critical.
Rap snitches, telling all their business. Sit in the court and be their own star witness. Do you see the perpetrator? Yeah, I'm right here. Fuck around, get the whole label sent up for years. Rap snitches, telling all their business. Sit in the court and be their own star witness. Do you see the perpetrator? Yeah, I'm right here. Fuck around, get the whole label sent up for years. Tight profile, low, like 8 and paid in full. Attract heavy cash, cause the game's centrifugal. Mr. Fantastic, long though like elastic. Got my life with twin Glocks that's made out of plastic. Can't stand a brown nosing nigga, fake ass bastard. Admiring my style, tour bus through Manhattan, plotting, playing the quickest. My flow's the sickest, my hoes be the thickest. My dro, the stickiest. Street nigga, stamped and bona fide. When beef jump, niggas come get me cause they know I ride. True to the ski mask, New York's my origin. Play a fake gangster like an old accordion. According to him, when the D's rushed in, complication from the wild testimony was thin. Caused his man to go up north, the boy hit him again. Lame rap snitch nigga, even told on the Mexican. Rap snitches, telling all their business. Sit in the court and be their own star witness. Do you see the perpetrator? Yeah, I'm right here. Fuck around, get the whole label sent up for years. Rap snitches, telling all their business. Sit in the court and be their own star witness. Do you see the perpetrator? Yeah, I'm right here. Fuck around, get the whole label sent up for years.
True, there's rules to this shit. Fools dare care. Everybody wanna rule the world with tears for fear. Yeah, tell it on the mountain hill. Running up their mouth bill. Everybody doubting still. Informer, keep it up and get tested. Pop through your bubble vest or double-breasted. He keep a lab down south in the Little Beast. So much heat you would've thought it was the Middle East. A little grease always keeps the wheels a spinning, like sitting on 23s to get the squealers grinning. Hitting on many trees, feel real linen. Spitting on enemies, get the steel for 10 men with no brains but gum flap. He said his gun clapped, then he fled after one slap. Son, shut your trap, save it for the bitches. Delicious rap snitch delicious.
You know what I'm saying? It's
terrible.
Crazy, man. I'm just analyzing this whole game. This is bugged out, man. Niggas snitching, telling on their own self.
It's a horror.
Fuck around, gonna get everybody bag, man.
Atrocity.
Fuck around and get your mama bag, man. You know your grandmama used to be bootlegging, fake hustling, nigga. Yeah, I'm right here.
If I told you things I did before, told you how I used to be, would you go along with someone like me? If you knew my story word for word, had all of my history, would you go along with someone like me?
I did before and had my share. It didn't lead nowhere. I would go along with someone like you. It doesn't matter what you did, who you were hanging
all I see is bare mini-me's. I get it, sometimes I gotta give me my credit. The first rapper in the UK to vision and edit. I said like me, they didn't forget. I spent 100k on vids and I'm giving them readies, so I know where I'm heading. I came to take over the game. Now they know my name, roll with those all get rolled over and over and over and over again. I left the food with Fingy. I mean, what's the name? I hope somebody died if your boy copped a chain. And I still got spots for days, check the way I rock the stage. So many mini-me's and I'm the one to blame. Since I came in the industry, a lot of shit's changed. I paved the path, I made the way and I can switch lanes. I said meets tight beats, I think it was a mistake. If it weren't deep like this, it would've been a piss take. And I love D for life, he taught me how to whip flake. Shit, I can't complain, Millie off a mixtape. And it bound to hate when you sound this great. I don't need no one around, that's fake. Throwing shade, I'm ashamed, man, what a disgrace. Acting like they envy me, but I'm who they pretend to be. And when they ask them who inspired them, then they should mention me. I guess this shit was meant to be, I'm so legendary. I'm the original, could never be a better me. Tell Drake, go on stake and place a bet on me. If you need the job done proper, you should get on me. So many mini-me's, so many mini-me's, so many mini-me's, so many mini-me's. High haters, back for my high haters, that's a big break. Stay down for a minute, get my shit straight. Dropped a heavy mixtape, I guess I still flip weight. I said like me, got 'em acting like me, I find it a bit strange. They tryna tap into the kid's brain. All I did was stay original and didn't change. Got my other movies hitting me up, bigging me up. Any vid that I touch is 6 figures and up. I got these rappers in a rut and they ain't bigging me up. If I was in a grade, they probably try digging me up. Freeze my sperm so I can give 'em my nut. And I have hella mini-me's running round just whipping shit up. Besides that, they know my lyrics are fucked. I'm in the Champions League now, guess who's winning the cup? I gotta treat it like the rap game, me lifting it up. I see 'em running with my style and they ain't give me a cup. I guess we only getting started, but I'm finishing up. Industry fucked, only real ones giving me love. Acting like they envy me, but I'm who they pretend to be. And when they ask them who inspired them, then they should mention me. I guess this shit was meant to be, I'm so legendary. I'm the original, could never be a better me. Tell Drake, go on stake and place a bet on me. If you need the job done proper, you should get on me. So many mini-me's, so many mini-me's, so many mini-me's, so many mini-me's. Head getting bigger, think I need a limousine. So many mini-me's, I think I need some bigger fees. So many mini-me's, so many mini-me's, so many mini-me's. Call them niggas little meeks. How they putting dirt on my name? They ain't never mashed no work on the mains. Me and my dog hit the dirtiest stain. And the secret it firmly remains. Jackman with no mask, rock ballys on stage. You said man he want flames. I don't need to grab nerds for a change. Perks of the game, I grab man who think they're Pablo and shot cocaine. Like this is not no game. Got me running round stupid like I got no brains. I watch niggas on the block go strange. Robbing and shutting, but I probably whipping rock most days. Rubber bands in shoeboxes, I ain't got no safe. Everybody rock the same shit, they ain't got no taste. And why they watch me, I am not showcase. Everybody rapping, but they don't rock no bass. I hear the bass rocking, I get the plays popping. Can't stop me and I ain't stopping. I hate shopping, fans face clocking. I hate problems, I don't mind deals, but I hate options. I hate nonsense. I hate jail like my name's Bronson, but I get paid off the rock, Dwayne Johnson. So many mini-me's and I'm the one to blame. Since I came in the industry, a lot of shit changed. I paved the path, I made the way and I can switch lanes. I said meets tight beats, I think it was a mistake. If it weren't deep like this, it would've been a piss take. And I love D for life, he taught me how to whip flake. Shit, I can't complain, Millie off a mixtape. And you're bound to hate when you sound this great.
Dope shit like that, Germ. Oh, hi. Welcome back to kids. Follow your dreams. Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies.
Sir. Yes, sir.
The kids they call the
Yes,
Goonies.
sir.
See the future, crystal ball. Mirror, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the fly
Asian
boy
session.
Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? I wanna tell you she.
Alright. How the fuck do I... Welcome. The first Klenfx stream. God damn. Alright. So I already did analysis pre Asian. I've got a new FTMO account, and we're in a range. So I'll explain this quickly. I think, well, I never really trade Asian, I usually trade New York, but Asian usually is very rangy, and we're in a range. Oh, we were in a range. So I've marked up this major range high and range low. And basically we've got range 2 down here, and if we have a breakout, we have another range probably like up here somewhere. I should actually switch this screen, 1 sec. Yeah, so let me see. Is there any news? I don't think there's any news, right? Not US anyway. Let me see. Do we have any news? No. Tomorrow's crazy. Tomorrow we've got FOMC, which I will be streaming. Probably at like 7 PM. Bro, the first stream. And no viewers. Let's go. Let's go. Anyway, so there's 2 ways to do this, play this range. If we break out of this, we could get a break-even buy, basically up to this area. And the reason for that is it could be a top wick support turn resistance, although I don't trade that. I trade support or resistance, if you follow my Twitter. But this range isn't even that big. What is that? 13 pips? Nah. Let's see. How's the mic? I don't even know what it sounds like. Is it the play feedback? I don't really want that shit on the stream. Don't even have alerts. I'm so unprofessional. What the fuck? Huh. So what is this range? This range is 13 pips, 14 pips, so 7 if you were to secure half right up to the top, which you could do. I don't know. Tomorrow is gonna be crazy, bro. FOMC. There's gonna be like no volume, 130, 230. It's just gonna be FOMC, and it's yeah. Unemployment claims on the Thursday. Was Friday? Nothing. 7 o'clock Friday news. No volume, bro. Alright. Anyway, we're here. We are here. Let's see. I don't think I'm gonna take this idea. I think I'd rather take the top wick idea off here, or the breakout idea off here, to take the trade up. So if I do, so if it's like, if it breaks this, it's basically queen traffic to just drive. This doesn't really scare me too much. This might scare me. I'm just trying to think. Okay, I think that's actually a valid break-even buys. Yeah. Let's see what that is. 875, so maybe like 850. So let me edit. Oh shit. So I'll do 850 in terms of break-even buys, and that gives us a fucking clean range, bro. That's like, what was that? Almost 40 pips. So you secure 20, go break even. Should I put a background in the stream? Nah, probably not. The gold loop. Asian session. I never trade Asian chest. Well, not really, because there's zero volume, so it's just like a waiting game this whole time. It's gonna be one big waiting game. Is the stream even good quality? I don't even know. Ooh, we're closing back in the range. Right, let's establish some minor zones in the range. This area maybe. Break even sells. Maybe, no, actually I'd include that one as well. That one's break even buys. So the green line's a buy stop. I don't actually have any text, I just kind of trade how I trade. So the green line's a buy stop, which means if you were to break the wick high, you're probably going to drive up to your next at least minor zone, and then hopefully your full take profit, which would be up here. I don't really do top-down analysis because we're in all-time highs. It's not like, if I do like the monthly, it doesn't really, I mean, yeah, there's not much to go off of. The daily as well, like, I mean, you could say a top wick somewhere here and then a flip back down to fill this wick, but I mean, it's not really, it's not relevant. So the 30-minute or the 1 hour is probably good enough for me. But what I'm understanding about this range is that we do have a reset play with respecting break-even sells. So what I might do here, I don't know. I think the range might be a little bit lower, maybe I'll do 300. 300. Reset. 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 You know what I might do here? I might enter on sells. YouTube's not receiving enough video. Oh. What's going on? It's not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Oh fuck, what the fuck? What's the stream health? 4? Will experience buffering. Bro, I'm new to this whole OBS thing. I don't even know what the fuck. Unless live replay at one stream ends. Nah. Oh no, we're good. It says excellent condition. Anyway. It's a good sell. It's a good sell, I think. But you are gonna have to sell, and there's probably no RM areas. Like, that's not really a good risk management area, so it's kind of a high risk sell. But I would sell here, so I'm tempted to take the sells down. Would I have a risk management area? Probably not. Oh, maybe the top wick here. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do here? You know what I'm gonna do here? Let's open up the MT. So we were trading a 20k FTMO account. With 5% daily drawdown, I only risk 0.10 because 0.10 is the amount that you should be risking with a $1,000 account or pound account, whatever the fuck you have. So we're gonna put 0.10 lots on sells here, I think. Here we are. We are in entries, boys. So the idea of the trade is take the sells, take them up here, but I'm gonna just it's down here. Okay. Idea of the sells is essentially, so you had the range play, you had your bottom wick, you had your top wick, and then what happened is you had a reset play, and the reset has come down back into the range, and now we're filling the range via the top wick basis, respecting break-even sells to take the sells down to this minimum point to form its bottom wick. And the reason for this is because we need liquidity to drive up. So because this move has happened, and then followed by this move, we need the liquidity to come back down because you can't enter a range without having that bottom wick. So now it's all about where do you put the stop loss, because you need the bottom wick here minimum before we can drive up, and ideally not break the highs, but it could happen. It's a pretty decent range. It's a nice range we broke into. So what I'm gonna do is set an alert for this. 360. Nope. Now for the stop loss, let's see, is it worth holding till this area, probably not, because then you're looking at the, oh shit, you're looking at these wicks up here. You have these wicks, these wicks, these wicks. So your median is in this range somewhere. And how many pips is that? I guess 135 is not too bad. I'm gonna have my stop loss above. Let's see, where's this resistance? It's here. So I'm gonna have my resistance above that level. So probably above these wicks here. This wick here. Or should I do it above here? I probably should do it above there. We'll manage. We'll manage. It's between having our stops here or having our stops like right there. And I never ever trade a positive RR, like barely ever. So it's like that's tight for me. 27 pips. And you have a big, what the fuck is this song? Hell no. 27 pips and you have a big move down, so the chances of the breakout happening is very high to fill the move up. This might be a two-part trade where I enter buys and sells. What was this move? Oh shit. Top here? Nah. There's definitely areas to manage. So what I'm gonna do actually is not have my stops there. I'm gonna have my stops above. I'm gonna have my stops above there. And the reason for that is because we have these wicks. I keep something wrong tool. We have these areas, right, where price is tapped, rejected, and you're able to manage your risk accordingly. Now, realistically, this isn't even 137 pip stop loss is not that bad for the way I trade. So if I have my stops, I'm actually gonna put it above that wick there. I think that's valid. Where the trade's down. Now, that's a hard stop in case like news happens somehow and it just wakes up like crazy. My potential risk management area is probably going to be the support level down here. It's just whether I establish this. I think this is a better support, yeah. So I'll make this my support level. And basically, if we see price break into this bottom wick, then your bottom wick and respecting break-even buys, then you'll probably just take the loss. Because this is a nice probable support area to fill the range up, right? If it comes and taps break-even buys with volume and then comes down, I think we're still safe. So that's the trade idea. Okay, so I'll leave this here. I'm gonna take breakout buys as well. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take what level is that? Let's see. 2573.050. Wait, is that 052? Let me see. Yeah, we'll do 050. Okay, so we're gonna have buy stops. Well, I'll zoom this out for you. So we're gonna have buy stops at price 2573.050, and that's gonna be our buy stops to take the trade up. Understanding that we can manage risk based on that range play, the range 2 play, we should be okay. But the trade makes sense. We just have everything in place. We're gonna have our hard stops at 2584.85. so for the sells, hard stops are going to be up here. Right, that's what, how many pips? 140 pips, 145 pips. Plus our hard stops. Yeah, let's change the song for real. What the hell? Change this fucking song. I'm trying to play some jazz lo-fi. Some fucking jazz. What's the hard TP? 830. Okay. That was a very quick analysis. I was super quick to get into that trade. But that's sometimes it presents itself with the ideas there and the trade and price action is telling you what it plans on doing. If it's giving you hints, if you've broken back to a range and you've formed that top wick to take the trade down, then just take it. Regardless of if price is above the range now, the idea is still there. You still need that bottom wick before you can fill or break any highs. So that's the idea. I should actually update my trade record. Well, I guess it's not for the stream. Stream's different. Right now, I don't know if you guys can see this. I think you can. Right now, so FTMO start was on the 16th. My total pips. So we started this journal in the 7th of August. Now it is finished, but the idea behind bringing the journal out is to bring out everything else. So I want to bring out the Discord, the journal, everything, just websites, whatever I have going on in the background. But this journal is basically curated to be super simple. So it's literally a case of like, let me just show you quickly. You go in your pair. We're gonna update the pairs right now. We've only got gold, USD, and GJ. Basically, click this arrow. It's not showing on the screen, and then you click your pair. You go and buy and sell. It's buy or sell, and then you put your pips in. Say 32, and it'll fill the rest out for you. Then all you have to fill in after it is your session and your date. And the date is literally a case of just writing the numericals. So 17/09/2024. Oh, why did that not work? That's hilarious. I put space. There you go. And then it converts it to the long form date, so it's easier to read. And then if you want to delete anything, delete the date, delete the pips, and then there's a space on the drop down menu. It's not showing on stream, but basically it's made for anyone to be able to use. Any bimbo can use the fucking journal, okay? The headings are there. You scroll down, I think there's 1,500 cells. Yeah. So there's loads of cells to use up. Take you like a few years. But since August 7th, we had a very good run. I think we had a 26, or was it 14 win streak? 14 win streak on the other FTMO, and then I got a new FTMO on yesterday night actually. So since that FTMO, I've already done I've done 5 trades, 3 of which today. So that we did one during Asian last night, technically today. We did one in London when I woke up, and then we did one in New York during high volume. And technically we've done one in Asian, so we've covered every session, which I never ever advocate for. I never do, because it kind of links towards overtrading, but you know. 17/09/2024 we got into sells, and then we have a buy stop. So I'll just save that, and then I'll close it down, and yeah. My first stream, I'm nervous as fuck, bro. But this is how I would trade. Like I'm kind of warming up to the idea of talking on camera, but this is kind of the idea of how I would trade. Like wherever price is, if price action is printed what it needed to print for me to enter a trade or validate any whatever, I will just enter. Okay, because price is up here, right, and I've maybe missed the move, I haven't, because I would have entered here anyway. Why is my mag not on? Yeah, I would have entered here anyway. So, is this music too loud? Should I turn it down? Yeah, so doesn't matter. The idea was the same. Expecting break-even sells. Reason why I call it break-even sells is because you had wicks to drive up. You had wicks which drove all the way up. You had this which came back to break-even. You had this which came back to the top of the range. So this is a clear zone to manage risk, right? Now we had this. I can go to the 5 minute if you want. We have this reset idea where, okay, the range is complete. Bottom wick, top wick. Doesn't matter if the range, if price was to come down and do all this funky shit, you're not entering, okay, because the range is done. But when you have the reset, we have something like this, and then it comes back down, and then it forms its top wick. Then the idea is the exact same as previously. You're just gonna take the cells down to at least your break-even cells, and that's how I see it. So, regardless, I also have risk parameters in place. But yeah. You're likely to get this buy stop activated. So what I'm actually going to do here is 2573.05. Oh no, we've already done it. Alright. Now if you do get the buy stops activated, I'm still holding the cells until it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, then I'll close out. But to me, I'm still going to hold the cells. Daily no bottom wick as well. So what the 4 hour is showing is bullish, okay? And the reason for that is, if you just look at these two candlesticks, your wick highs have already been broken as of right now, okay? So what that tells me is, okay, you're either going to respect this level of support, very low chance, or you're going to come up and tap the top wick level, which is up here. So that's where my stops are there. We're likely to break this wick and just drive. Probably gonna get activated by stops here, which is completely fine. Let me just double check. I think I'm okay with this level. I think 850 is okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna put an alert here as well. 845 is fine. And then that's gonna be. Oh shit. Oh, my alerts aren't. Oh, yeah, shit. So take half profits, trade to break even. And same for this. Yeah, so we're gonna be bullish here for a little while. I think this is where the volume's coming in. And the reason for that is the idea that I said at the start of the stream, where if you break this wick, you could be activated for buy stops and basically take the range up to fill this area, break even buys, take half positions, stop loss to break even, let the rest run, and that's likely going to happen. Let me test the chat one sec. Let me write test. Does it show? Does it show? It does. W. I think I can edit this. I'm gonna delete that. Stupid. Yep. So buy stops. The original buy stops at the start of the stream would have been activated here, which is this high, and you'd be taking the trade up to the next green bit, maybe in between. And the reason for that is because, I mean, you do have a weak resistance, but you also have a strong support. I never trade support and resistance. I always talk about support or resistance. So price either pushes up to find resistance and not support, or vice versa. Price pushes down to find support and not resistance. But people trade differently, I guess. I think our buy stops will get activated. I'm happy with 830. Probably. Yeah, so the buyers are in. One thing about price actions, you have to understand people. So people are buying into this. We understood the risk. We understand that there's a big move prior to our sells here. It's a fat move here to come down. So usually when price comes down that quick, it usually goes up that quick as well. Oh shit, I haven't even deleted that thing. 1 second. You ever got my chat? My chat shows the chat and doesn't delete the message, so I'm gonna add like a delay, like a 20-second or some shit. How do I save this though? Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, was that easy? Nice. Yeah, so like I said, people are buying. Don't know if this green line is enough of a resistance for it to come down. Hence why we've got the buy stops. Or why I have the buy stops there. But who knows? I mean, this is a good volume for Asian. I've never seen this shit. Not really. I don't really trade Asian, I guess. But I mean, my journal says otherwise. Do I trade Asian a lot? Maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, you can see we trade New York mostly. So this, I mean, there's no real proof of. Oh yo, Kron is in the chat. Kron is in the chat. That's funny, bro. Yeah, there's no proof of there's no real like, you can't like, I don't know, you can't. I mean, this is just a personal journal. But I have to take my word for it. But you can see, I usually trade New York. New York's probably my most. London's probably my least. To be honest, London and Asian, don't really trade that much. But I'd say London's probably my least.
Check it.
We're losing. We are losing, boys. How much are we down right now? We are down 24 pips, 23 pips. This full screen. Wait, let me see if it fucks up. Yeah, it kind of does. I swear the same songs have been on repeat. Maybe I need to find some like. Come on. Get some lo-fi bonk in this bitch. But I think these are copyright. Lo-fi fruits. Who's this? Oh shit, yeah, we're in a trade, I guess. Do I update my trades taken, or do I do it when I finish? I don't know. I guess not. I guess we'll just wait until the trade's done. We have 2 trades in session though, I think. Bro, I'm nervous as fuck. I'm touching my face so much. Trying to make sense of this. So I guess this is a good. I mean, is this more of a support? Was this marked up as a support or resistance? That's what I need to figure out. I think it was a resistance because we have these wicks over here as well. Break-even buys up here. I mean, this is all kind of relevant, I guess. It doesn't really matter. Bro, I need some new music. I'm scared of getting like a strike because I played too much fucking copyright. Lo-fi fruits. Do you have any music? Oh, it's playing the same song. Great. Oh, hell no. Lo-fi hip-hop? Sure. Probability of our buy stops getting activated is very high. This is like the worst trade ever to stream. Actually, it's so messy already. But we have the idea. We know what the idea is, and if it oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, we're about to tap. I'm just gonna have one trade up. I don't want to confuse. But this is the buy stops. So we had this. I'm gonna make this the highs instead, so it's not as confusing. We've got the buy stops, so we understand. We have our risk management area being buy stops are probably gonna be below. I'm gonna have my my stop loss on the bottom of that wick, so 560 to 560. Hey, will we get activated for buys as well? 2 opposing trades. This looks so sketch, bro, but that's just the way it is. But we're in both trades. The buys until the orange line is hit. Okay, this is for the buys. And the sells until this yellow idea is panned out. Or we stay the sells if it taps the orange line and then decides to reverse. Okay, so either way, we're gonna be in a nice trade, or 2 nice trades probably. Bro, I can't delete anything. What the fuck? What's the stream looking like? I should actually watch that shit. I've just been streaming like blind. I don't actually know what the stream looks like. Let's see. I've just been streaming like blind. I don't actually know what the stream looks like. How's the quality? I feel the quality is kind of ass, no? Oh, it's like kind of limited. I'll fix that for next time, I think. Fuck it, we're only here for like another 45 minutes or some shit. I have 2 subs? 2 subs already? It's my mom. My mom and my brother, guys. It's my mom and my brother. I say guys, I'm talking to my fucking self. Who do I think I am? Wait, does the chat work with emojis? Oh, it's just, oh yeah, puts that fucking shit. Alright. Guys talking to family, let's go. Bro, the chat, what? What is going on with the chat? Why is your name like sticking out? Oh, bro, this chat was, oh my god. How do I even do this? No bounds, am I fucking... Scale to inner bounds, scale to outer bounds, scale to width, maximum size only. Let's try this. Dude, I tried to fix this chat fucking today and it's just like watch, I'm gonna put my name in the middle. I hate this thing. Why? Why does it do that? Stretch to bounds? What's this? Oh, bro. What? Alignment in bounding box. Center. Bottom left. Scale to outer. What's this? Bruh. Ah, it's flipped. Wait, what? Scale to outer bounds. No, scale to inner. Wait a minute. Could be onto something. Stretch to bounds. Nope. Yeah, look, it's just fucked. It's so fucked. Maximum size only. What is the inner bounds? What is my bounds? Crop to bound. Oh, wait, what? 5. Can I make it just 531? 531 399. Oh, I see. Crop left how much? 100? Centering text, not usernames. Ah, I see. Oh my god, I just realized what I need to do. 396. 390. 300. 200. This is cursed. Try to write a long message. W. Nice. Oh, never mind. Your fucking name is cropped. What is this? Maybe not 200? But this is so fucking retarded. Positional alignment doesn't matter. I could just do stretch to bounce and then test. Yeah, whatever. Wait, Kieran, try type. I don't know if it'll crop your name. Bro, this Asian session is slow. I've been in this trade for how long? How long have you been streaming for? How long have you been streaming for? An hour, 30 minutes? I've been in this trade for 30 minutes. Messages are aligned. The usernames need to be with WebDev, it's fixed with Flexbot. I don't know if that's an option. Yeah, because it's cutting your username. I need to... fuck, bro. It's cropping your username, which is fucking weird. Maybe... Maybe I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna... Always show messages, save settings. Right, type some long shit. Works for me, I just want to see if it works for you. Bro, what the fuck? Yeah, no, but so other people have probably longer names. My bounding box should be, I think, 400. Like here. It says crop. Crop left. So let's crop like 30 left, or maybe 40 left, 50 left, 60 left. I do the same on the right. It's gonna crop out the text, so maybe I shouldn't do that shit. Buy stops are about to get activated. I'm still trying to fucking do this thing. Center. I guess center works. Then it's cropping the texts. Center? Top center doesn't fucking change anything. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna have to do like stretch to bounds and what's no bounds? Nah. Stretch to bounds. I'm just gonna have to like do some funky shit. Like this. Okay, buy stops activated. In on buys. We're in on buys till the orange line, my friends. My friend. Alignment in bounding box. It should be left aligned, bottom left aligned, and it's not doing anything. The box size should be the same size as the text line is left. Wait, I think I'm cooking. 459. 399. Nope. What the fuck? 459. And then 500. And 450. Bro, you know what? Fuck it. Fuck it, this works. I want it to be the bottom left of the box, but it's not doing it, bro. Flex. Oh, monkey. Right, I'm gonna go take a fucking piss. One sec. Oh, I was muted the whole time? Bro. Bro, I was talking so much. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Wait, I can't believe... How long was I muted for? Fucking... Bro. Funny. Anyway, what I was saying... bro, I was probably talking about crypto muted. But wait, oh, that's so fucking... Anyway. Whatever. Fuck crypto anyway, we're here. Yeah, so... What I was saying is... We've added another buy limit here. I don't even know if we got activated. Did we get activated? No, we haven't. So the... Trading view. There you go. Okay, so we added a buy limit on the... this overall range, okay? For the bottom wick here. So the idea of this buy limit is to take the trade up to break even buys. If it doesn't get activated, it is what it is. Now, my strategy fundamentally would tell you to take the loss on the sells here. Okay, why? Because you entered a new range. You entered range 2. You're forming your bottom wick to drive up. Okay, textbook stuff. But I'm choosing not to take the loss. One, because I understand that you had a reset play, range breakout, didn't get the liquidity to drive up. Two, I also understand that the 1 hour has no wick here, okay, and it opened up at a nice resistance, and there was no liquidity, again, kind of the same idea, for it to drive up significantly. Number three, the risk isn't even that big, and I have opposing buy limits, so I'm not even risking that much. Buy stops even. So my idea is it's going to fill this range nicely, okay, with loads of volume, like it's doing now, and all this volume is creating is an easier pathway to come back down to fill the range, okay. So these sells are so valid. I don't think this is going to get affected by this or this that much, so I'm gonna just have my wits about me. Sorry, I'm clicking the wrong things here. I can't believe how long was I, bro? I was muted through so much. Who cares, bro? Who cares? People don't even have a webcam on in this fucking industry. I'm just here chilling. I can't believe I was muted, bro. That's so fucking embarrassing. On the bro, this first stream has gone to shit, but it's kind of character building. I like it. It's funny. Yeah, so I need this volume to push up, basically. Although, we're gonna get a flip here. What the hell? Okay, so that buy limit is now activated as well. Just gonna full take profit up there. We have two buy positions and that sell position. So we have two. We're playing with two trade ideas at once. Essentially, what's happening here. Okay, so we're getting some volume. What time is it? 5 minutes till 1. I don't know if there's any. There's no news, was there? Let me let's get the yellow folders in as well. Why not? Now we're done. Oh wait, Wednesday. Oh, there's JPY news at 12:50. Oh, so that's what this is. Okay, good. So I'm more confident on these buys planning out than the sells, but I do think you're going to be in going to be in some drawdown for the sells to plan out. I do think you're going to come up here. I also do think you're going to push up a little bit, respecting these wicks to the left. And I also think that there is also that slight chance of rejection off of this area. Okay, it's minor zone. I'm happy to take the loss on the sells purely because I know that my idea still makes sense. I'm still kind of going with my strategy. So I'm favored in the buys more to tap here before hopefully a rejection here, here, here. But if you take the loss, it is what it is. Because of the bottom wick, we have no risk management up here. But if we have a reset of that resistance, then sure. That's a long time away. That's a long time away. I'm looking at crypto. I'm big into crypto recently. I just don't know. I mean, I think we're just bearish. I think the whole market is gonna, just based off technicals. Like I know I explained it a little bit earlier, but my fucking mic wasn't on. I mean, to sum it up, is Bitcoin needs to have, okay, and I had technical backing as to why. I say have, like 45%, whatever the fuck. But when Bitcoin goes down, a lot of the other cryptos go down because a lot of them are blockchain additives for Bitcoin, right? They support Bitcoin in a way. A lot of them, unless Ethereum's is kind of its own body, but that still kind of moves with Bitcoin's market. And a lot of the cryptos are peer-to-peer instead of finite, so there's no actual asset being bought. It's just holding tokens or staking tokens to aid a blockchain or their project. And because Bitcoin's coming down, I just assume that the whole market's coming down pretty much. So I'm not even like looking it into like I've got them saved here. I've got like Bitcoin Cash. So I just got some old analysis. Ignore this shit. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not in on this, by the way. Solana's the same, I think. Solana is very simple, actually. I mean, breakout, right? Oh, actually, it's equal lows, isn't it? I guess equal lows, actually. Solana, you know, it could just fucking break that shit quite easily. Come down, tap this level of support. Ethereum, yeah, bullish. I mean, bearish. Bitcoin, bearish. Now, I am in on this, but this is an investment more than a trade. No, there's no leverage. But the reason for this is discounted price, number one. Number two, no top wick of this range. But there's no top wick here. Top wick to come down, 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 no top wick. So, liquidity. And I know Forex and crypto are completely different markets, but just price action is price action, bro. Alright, so this is as expected. This is good though. We have two buy positions that make complete sense, and we have a sell position that makes complete sense. Now it's whether you have the margin or the mental fortitude to hold the trade. That's on you. That is fully on you. But we are chilling. Do flip. The ideal scenario is 105. Damn, it's late. Yeah, so the ideal scenario for this trade is for price to drive up And the reason for that is it makes more sense. We got nice price action to this level before reversing, but you still can reverse because of this idea right here. Okay, no liquidity. What is liquidity? It's basically orders, right? There's no orders, there's no fuel to the fire. You can't, there's no real it's harder for price to buy when there's not enough sellers. That's literally what it is. So we're just gonna sit here and watch price, because that is Asian session. It's all about sitting and watching it. $31 plus 38. Actually, technically that was 18. With these trades, it's all about ideas, and not individual trades. It's all kind of the same idea. Breakout, buy limit. $15 viewers is total stream. It's actually really good. I was kind of expecting like 5 or 3 not the stream, but it's pretty damn good. Okay, this is interesting. Yeah, this candle's gonna flip, and the reason for that is minor level breakout, or LTF breakout, lower time frame. So what's doing is, usually when you have a breakout, you have a bottom wick preceding it. So you tend to have a breakout, then you have a reversal candle, bottom wick to grab liquidity and orders, and then price tends to reverse back up and tap levels. So that's what we're seeing on a very lower scale here. That's my understanding of the markets. There's probably different people who have different ways of understanding the markets, or reading the markets, or they have their formulas and playbooks and strategies, but that's how I read it. Okay, so that's what's happening basically. If it looks like the 1 minute, I never trade the 1 minute, by the way, but that's essentially what's happening. So you have this reversal, you're gonna find your level of support, and then you're gonna drive back up. And that's what we're gonna see either in this candle or the next. Maybe you'll come back down to here, maybe you break this low and you retest this area, but you should probably see it here. It's higher probability, but this is the 1 minute, so I can't really read price action on this. But yeah, that's what we're seeing. Because look, you can see the common level of support here. Okay, common level of support here, breakout. Now you're coming down to tap the common level of, sorry, this is resistance, common level of support, and then the bottom wick's gonna flip and drive. Usually what happens, well, let's see. Another question to ask is, where is that floor, right? So in the 1 minute we thought that wick was that floor, but now you've broken out. So now you've got clean traffic to like here, here, or here. And that's why you need to be adaptable in the markets, right? That's why you need to have a stop loss that makes sense instead of just an emotional one that mitigates risk after 10 pips, you know. So we're gonna find it. It could find it here, but that's low probability. You're looking at like probably these areas, which is gonna be in favor of the sells again, but maybe it's just a bottom wick and flip. Who knows? Who knows? Who cares? Because you also have all of this to the left to mimic. I'm enjoying the stream though. I am enjoying it. Now I'm just gonna be real with myself. I'm just gonna stream for fun. I'm just gonna stream when I feel like it. Probably not gonna have a schedule, but I'll probably try to stream every day that the market's open. Because I can. But you'll find that I won't really have a structure because I share this room with my dad. My dad works right there, so he's answering calls. I can't really be on here streaming. And that's just the truth of it all. So yeah, I'm gonna try to stream as much as I can in terms of trading. If I ever get, you know, opportunities to. I think I'm gonna stream FOMC tomorrow for sure, because that'll be 7 o'clock. That'll be nice. And then I can stream on Thursday as well, probably New York. But that's the schedule for the week, man. Friday I think I'm working, or Saturday I'm working. And then that's the weekend. I'm in university back on... Oh no, I'm in university on Friday, that's what I'm doing. And then working Saturday. And then uni week 1 starts the week after. So I think it's Tuesday I go back for my 4th year. So it's all fun. I decided to start streaming at the end of my summer holidays, which is so stupid, but no, that's me. Always have to choose the path with the most resistance. That is literally me. Okay, so this is interesting. Understanding that the people who took the range play buys here are probably looking at to getting out if there's a bottom wick here. So that's another thing to note. Actually, probably not. Probably bottom wicks here. So their stop loss would be or minus. Come on, BOJ needs to pump the fucking dollar or some shit. Needs to do something. Probably won't be on for that much longer. Probably be on for another 45 minutes. Play some music and then call it a day. But I will make sure to have parameters set so that when I sleep, I don't get fucked over by the markets. And the way I do that is I'll have, for example, for the buys, right? So we have a buy here as one of the buys, and we have another buy up here. Okay, and they're currently the take profits are full TPs. But what I'll do when I sleep is I'll have the break even buys as full TPs and the stop loss the same. Okay. And then for the sells, exact same thing. So full take profit at the break even sells. So this is what the trade's gonna look like. When I go to bed. Because I can't manage the trades when I'm asleep, right? I just can't. So that's what my trade's gonna look like. Oh, you can't even see it because I turned off my. There you go. Yeah. So these are what the trade's gonna look like. So they're gonna go to break even buys, and then this one at break even sells, and then the stop losses are fixed. There's no adjusting. And then you just need to hope that the market moves something like this, like this, like this, like this, and then does whatever the fuck he wants after. You just need to hope that it moves this much up and this much down. I'm chilling for real. I'm not finding a good playlist, but I feel like I'm just gonna get copyright striked. Maybe I should start streaming on fucking Kick. No, I'm not doing that. Not doing that. Does anyone even watch like Kick? Or people even watch? I mean, people watch Twitch, but like, how big is Kick these days? I don't even fucking know. I'm gonna open up a new tab. Who's watching Kick? Let's see who's watching Kick. Oh, TGR's on. Nice.
Give me a multiplier drop on
Oh,
this.
he's
Give me a
gambling.
multiplier
That's
drop.
hilarious.
Give me a multiplier drop, just one single one. One single one.
Where does he live again? Puerto Rico. Oh, yo, I mean, I guess, yo, Kick gets quite a lot, actually. Kick has a lot of viewers, to be honest. I didn't think it was that much. 91k, IRL 53, just chatting 91. Yeah, fair. Why has FIFA got 10k, bro? PUBG Mobile 6k, more than CS2. The fuck? That's crazy. CS2 at 6.1k. What about Rumble? Remember fucking Rumble? People like live streaming that, or is that just like YouTube? Oh yeah, you can like go live. Yeah, not much people are watching these people. Probably shouldn't say these names while I'm on YouTube. The algorithm's gonna pick up that I talked about fucking Rumble. What I'm gonna do for my next stream is look at the quality. What am I trying to say? I think my bitrate, my video bitrate is kind of funky. I was looking at it earlier. What am I doing? Open up Chrome. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my bitrate is a little bit funky. I'm gonna mute this site so I can fucking. I'm signed into my account. That's hilarious. Yo, I cooked, by the way, with the thumbnails. My thumbnails are pretty fire. Made some pretty damn good thumbnails. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get 2560 by 1440. I'll definitely try 1440p, get that encoded. Because I mean, limited to 1080 sucks. Like, I don't even watch that shit. I don't even watch 1080 anymore. Try not to anyway. You watch 1080 when the Wi-Fi is down, bro. When you have 1 bar signal, and then you've got 1080p. Let's see, folks. Back to the markets. What's happening? So this is interesting. So this is another reason why I didn't take. And the idea is playing out, is what I'm trying to say. The idea is playing out. It's a reason why I didn't take the loss, right? Because I knew this could happen. But we are down on both the buy trades. But there are 2 different ideas. Maybe 3 different ideas. With the buy limit. I want to I want to manage risk with I think even both buys. And the way I'm gonna do that is if we complete. This all depends. If you reject here, perfect. If you reject there, then you're gonna come back up, right? You're gonna form your. Oh, you know what I should do? I should fucking open the Zoom. That's what I'm gonna fucking do. 1 second. Let's get the Zoom, boys. Let's get the Zoom. Hold on. New meeting. How do I do it? Share screen. Screen 1. Wait, I want to see if it's gonna pick it up. No. Okay, I need to make a window capture. I'll call it Zoom. Okay. Is it this? Yeah, 'cause you can't even see that shit. That's interesting. Let's just put a black bar on the top of the screen. Yeah, fuck it. I have to go to my screen. Oh, okay, my stream's limited by YouTube. And you can ignore streaming service setting recommendations. I'm gonna do that, bro. I think my video output could be so much better. My bitrate is 6.5. Okay, that's not too bad. But yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm streaming on. So my scaled res is 1920 by 1080. But I can definitely. Yeah, I will do that for next stream for sure. I assume it's not working. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do that for sure. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so we're getting wick rejections, and what this could be a case of is that you're looking at this support level here, and what that's a case of is driving up, which is, bro, either way of whatever trade pans out first, and this looks so sketchy, bro, but this is how I would actually trade. Either way, I think I'm very confident in holding both trades. Yes. So the only way you're gonna know if I hit profit or stop loss is the next stream, because I'm gonna update my trades taken. So at the start of next stream, you will see Well, I always pop up my journal anyway. I have my own journal. It's my fault. Yeah, so you'll see when these are filled. So the 17th and the 18th, these last two, okay? What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to write stream as part of my notes. Okay? So you see that's the stream. That's the first trade we took on stream. Yeah. But we had a very good day today in terms of my day, okay? From since I woke up. We caught, yeah, some nice pips. We got very nice. I can't be asked on the maths. What's that? 125, 176. So we caught 176 pips today, which is above average. But yeah, it's nice. 176 pips in one day, and that's technically Asian last night. But woke up. We traded all 3 sessions yesterday, and then we're doing 2 Asian trades today. But yeah, I have a long history. I've been trading for 2 years, but I've only been journaling since the 7th of August. And then I've got my FTMO yesterday. So this is my first. I've got 2 FTMO accounts, 2 20k FTMO accounts. This was during that one, and then I got a new one yesterday, and we're already 176, whatever I said, pips up. So that's good. Hey. So stagnant. I think I'm gonna hold off till 2 or around 2 because not much is happening in Asian. Asians can be good for scalping, I guess, but when we get off at 2, I think if nothing else happens, then I think we're pretty set. I think we're set on the idea. Yeah. Another thing I want to talk about is streaming. Like, I found myself just even on this stream getting more calm. Like, I'm kind of just like being comfortable being in my own space with a camera pointed at me, and just like, I think streaming is all about the hours you put in. Like, your first stream is gonna be fucking ass, bro. And this is actually my first ever, like, never actually uploaded a stream with a webcam ever in my life. And this is my first one. I don't watch streams too much, typically just because I don't have the time. I don't really want to dedicate time to sitting watching someone play a game or some shit for like 5 hours, bro. I watch highlights and shit on YouTube, but this is my first real experience streaming, and I feel like you're gonna get more confident, or I'm gonna get more confident the more I stream, and that's, goes without saying. But it's all about, the time that you put in. The more hours you put in, it just becomes kind of robotic, and you get used to it. And then when people start coming into your streams, you know, this is kind of like manifesting right now. But when people do come into your streams, it's gonna be a different ball game. You have to, you know, there's always gonna be a devil's advocate. There's no good without bad. And yeah, I just have to get used to the whole thing. Once I start getting people hating on this RR and this fucking with 3 trades, then yeah. But it's annoying because it's so late at night that I can't even like sit here live. I mean, I could probably let the trade run live, but I mean, probably not. Just being realistic. But this is like such a typical guru thing to do, is to have 2 entries on 2 different biases on the same pair. And whatever one that fucking hits profit, you're just gonna close the other one and hide it, you know? But that's not what I preach. But that is the industry, right? It's so hard to avoid those kind of comments about you, because that is what the industry is. It's just become people wanting to sell courses, which is fine, bro. I'm outsourcing the education from someone who's done trading is such a beneficial thing. That's the reason why I'm profitable in the first place. I mean, I could have done it by myself, but realistically, with your own dedication, drive, and having a mentor is so important, bro. So the course thing I do 100% get, but it's who do you want to be? How do you want to live? Are you actually dedicated? Do you actually want to trade? And are you willing to just, well, sacrifice? Not even a sacrifice. You'd rather buy fucking Dominoes than buy a course. But are you willing to sacrifice an amount of money to learn how to trade? I don't see why that would ever be an issue. I don't see why having a course is such a bad thing, but at the same time, Forex markets, the industry is just fucked, bro. So I don't see why it got to this point. Don't really understand why it got to the point, other than people just want to make money. So I guess I do understand why it got to this point. But yeah, man, I don't know. You just have to find your mentor, bro, and find reasons why you follow your mentor, and understand. Just make sure you know your sources. I wouldn't just follow some guy on Instagram or, you know, some guy on YouTube Live unless they have a good track record, or yeah, I don't know, credibility, or they have a team around them. But that's the thing with live, is when someone's live and they're live every day and consistent, and you can actually tune into their content and watch what they're doing live, that is so much confirmation that person does know how to trade, especially if they're trading profitably. If you can see that they're making, you know, they're flipping accounts with a good like risk size, they're not over leveraging, they're not just flipping an account in one trade, they're actually taking their time, they're placing hundreds and hundreds of trades before they get to that, you know, 50% plus mark, for example, and they're trading correctly and professionally in what you deem as professional. That's kind of where you should probably look to follow. Bro, this guy is in the chat. What did you say? The grind. Yes, sir. Bro, I'm doing the classic guru shit. I have sell and 2 buys. Looks so sketchy. I'm gonna get, like, if anyone watches the VOD back, I'm gonna get fucking hate, bro. It's just the way it is. Why is my chat so fucked up though? It's just showing me emotes. I don't give a fuck. Oh, there you go. Does Kira want to be mod? You can moderate my fucking Discord, bro. Not my Discord, my YouTube. We are in drawdown though. Actually, we're up. We're up in both buy positions, more or less. But I'm gonna have to go to bed, bro. I can't even like keep this running. I'm gonna have to fucking sleep, and then see what happens with the trades. I'm gonna just look at this sell actually, because the stop loss is where I'm kind of confused on it. Because this is my stop loss is at this high. Let's do what? Are you gonna be mod? Fuck it. How do I do this? Moderator, there you go. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I have it above this high, but realistically... Well, no, that's not even managing risk. That's not managing risk. Fuck that shit. That's not managing risk either. So it is just going to be above this high. Okay, that's true. That high is... Oh, high. What number is that? So at 450, I'm going to fucking just set a hard stop loss if it's not already there. 84.450. Oh no, 83. What the fuck am I doing? Sell 450. Wait, what the fuck? That's not right. 2583.450. And that's for the sell, correct? Oh, I clicked the wrong fucking one. No, I didn't. 2583.450. Wait, so what the fuck are these take profits? What's this take profit? Oh, the buys? The buy should be at 2580.200. 2580.2. And then... Oh, I clicked the fucking wrong one, bro. I'm disabled. Okay, so 2580. Shit. 2580.200. So that's the take profits for the buys. Break even buys. Stop loss for the sell. And then I need the stop loss for the second buy, which is 2560. Which is down here. Alright. Yeah, Kieran, I was saying, I think streaming is just like putting the hours in, bro. Like it literally is. You get more confident. You'll probably find a guy at some point. I think the more you're live, the better. I feel like you need to be present. I feel like the people who are live with no fucking webcam, no mic, it's just like, what's the fucking point? Like I don't think that automation shit really works. I don't know. Yeah, we're just ranging. We're ranging so hard right now. I mean, these are 30-minute candles, and the range we've been in is 27 pips for like an hour and a half since 12. Usually the big moves in Asian happen at like 4 in the morning, I'm not gonna lie. Like every time I've had this happen, if you look at my Instagram, I have a lot of fucking Asian trades that I had to risk manage because I was like not able to be awake. And they always hit my minor zone or my take profit at like 4 AM. Every time. I think of it as these are technically two separate buys. Two different ideas, I guess. And if this comes down, it's just going to prove my point why it should go back up as well. If this comes down here because of the reset, it's the exact same fucking situation up here. Break and retest. The reset, break and retest is the same as the reset, break and retest. This middle zone is a fucking, this is a no trade zone. Can't really do much. I can't tell if it's a support, like there's only 2 wicks here and I know they're big wicks, but it's not really a support, it's more of a resistance because you have a range here. So that's why it's a no trade zone. Like, do you buy or do you sell here? You know, that's the thing. But I know you sell when price closes back below, but I don't know if you buy if it goes above because it's only 2 wicks, and then there's clean traffic here, which just drove up. So for me, range resistance, support or resistance. Remember that. Need to upscale this stream for next time. 2560 by 1440. I need to work out how the fuck to do that actually. Watch a YouTube video. How to change. Yeah, it's the YouTube recommended settings, that's why. I think it's bitrate. That's why my intro's looking weird. That thing's like 4K, bro. So I need to optimize for better quality. I'm not like gaming or anything, I'm fucking Forex trading. But still. Right, I'm in for this hourly close and then I'm gone. If it closes in this no trade zone, then yeah. I want volume, but we're not gonna get a lot of volume here. So I want it either to not be in the zone or to be above or below. But to be below is gonna be kind of costly. I was kind of hoping that this is like a bottom wick to drive up, but we don't have volume. I mean, let me see. Baby pips. Yeah, we're at low volume. But this is where Asians should start to pick up. Because this is... yeah. Tokyo session open at 1 AM. It should... I mean, I know Tokyo closed, London opens volatile, but... what time is that? It's like... for me, that's like 9 AM. on, let's look it up. Yeah, okay, so, yeah. I like using this. This is my favorite tool, bro. 24-hour time, of course. I'm just gonna bookmark this shit. Okay, yeah. What time is it for me? What? Yeah, 1:47. So, what time was that? I did get that right. Oh, 10. It's 10 o'clock. London opens 7. 8 o'clock to 10. New York is 1 till 10. New York's still, oh yeah, fucking the daily rollover, of course it is. Bro, I sound like a noob. New York for me is, yeah, it's about 1. I'll say, yeah, okay. London for me, London closes at 12 for me. So when I like journal, you'll see that a lot of my New York sessions, it's during London and New York, but for me, New York, whatever session opens is the new session. So I'm not gonna say Tokyo closes at 10. I'm gonna say it closes at 8 when London opens. 8 till 5. Yeah, there's no volume. But why is it 4 a.m. it says low volume as well? But I think that's actually when it picks up for real. For me, like at this time. I don't know. Is it finding support? Or is it clean traffic to drive down? Who knows? This hourly close could close back above, and then we could risk manage accordingly, which would be super nice. I'd actually stay up a little bit longer for that if we can flip. If we can flip here. But if we're just gonna hover in this support level, then it's a bit of a long day. Probably another 2 hours before which is again 4 a.m. literally 4 a.m. If we can flip here, flip bullish as well, be nice. Well, Solana's less than 100. I expect Solana to come down. I actually do want to buy into Solana at some point. In 4 minutes. 4 minutes till the candle closure. Will we flip? Can we flip? Just a quick kind of recap or overview is that the candle is probably finding support now. That's why we're getting this wick. You're making a really small minor structure on the way up. I do think we're gonna see the buys pan out first. I just don't know if we're going to get the rejection of the break-even buys or just hit stop loss because we've grabbed the bottom wick. So there's no real reason. You need to kind of reset, and there's not a lot of room for resetting. But it makes sense. So I'm happy to take the loss. Look, we're flipping right now. I think we're going to mimic what's on the left. Ideally is because we basically had a reset here. That's pretty much what this is because we're in the no trade zone. So ideally, if we were to break back into this range here, I'd like to just see price no bottom wick tap here. Okay, because then if it continues to move up, then we can enter and risk manage accordingly. Okay, but if it does this, then moves up, okay, the buys are secured. But when it comes up to here, we can't do anything because that's the range complete here and here. So now you're just waiting for a reset, enter on this to come down, or reset and then just fly down because we have clean traffic. It's kind of hard to tell, but we have all the scenarios mapped out in our head. The only scenario we can manage is if this happens, okay, then we can't enter here because it'll be like 6 in the morning probably, and I won't be able to manage. Then it comes down to here, and then I'll have to make a decision again. A minute till the hourly closure. Can we flip? Can we flip, people? $30. Yeah, the sellers are yeah, it's not gonna flip here. Alright, well, that is my first stream. That is the first Asian session. That was so... I'm tired, you can tell. That was my first Asian session that I did live. I would say good trades, but also doesn't look good. Kind of messy. Talked about some stuff, a few mishaps. My mic was muted. And yeah, we're basically, before I hop off here, I'm gonna have to manage these accordingly and get back tomorrow with the, if you tune in tomorrow, or if whenever you guys see this, you'll see that my trades taken will be updated, my trade record will also be updated, and we're breaking the highs here. Hold on a minute. Bottom wick might have to stay up. Look at that. I'm going to secure these break-even buys. If you have no bottom wick, I'm going to have to low-key stay up, because I'm witnessing this right now. Oh. I'm going to stay up for a little bit here, actually. That was interesting. A lot of bullish volume. But we were kind of more bearish. Even though I understand that we are at this kind of local key support. Yeah, look at this shit. Damn. I think we're gonna have to stay up here actually. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to close one on my phone and one on my PC. Wow, I don't know where this volume came from. I guess the hourly open. So these are for the buys, okay? Gonna look at risk managing here shortly. It just it's being funny because it's at a support right now, but we should find that resistance. My god, there's loads of volume. What's going on? Okay. We're making the bottom wick, because that could actually be a good scenario for us. Go back to MT. Did the 5 close above? It's closing in 30 minutes. So ideally, so we don't have to stay up. We have a bottom wick on the 5 before the wick fill to the break-even buys, which we're about to have. This is weird. So the one just tapped it at least. Wait, what? Oh shit. Okay, so the 5 just opened up. Let's look at the 5. Let me just minimize. Okay, so the 5 opened up, bottom wick. Okay, this is perfect. So, okay, so we should get a flip to the break-even buys. As simple as that. That's exactly what I want to see. Could enter another position here technically, but I'm not gonna. How many pips were we away from that shit? 3 pips. Bottom wick, flip and drive. This is standard, bro. This is standard play. Basically what I want to see is we came up with wrong tool. I want to see that we came up with this bottom wick, you flip the candle and you drive, securing break even here, and the next candle closes like this, and then like this, and then like this. Okay. So it's literally doing what I was talking about, but we just haven't had the flip yet, and then the wick fill, which is about to happen in 10 seconds. Now the reason for this is because you had a lot of buyers taking out, and the reason for that is because you can't actually be accurate in trading. So with this wick, a lot of buyers who were in these two trades they took their stuff out right very quickly, and with a lot of volume. But you're gonna find that the order wasn't fully full. It wasn't filled, right? It wasn't fully filled. So you're gonna find that it's gonna have a wick fill. And this is not hopeful, this is just like price action, bro. You need to tap this zone because this is where the big moves are. It's not fucking 3 pips away, it's not here. I mean, yeah, you can have a big move from there, but that precedes these two, and that precedes this one, the big wick. So that's a minor zone. But that's the bottom wick, so I'm tempted to stay up just to see if I can grab these, risk manage accordingly, but I might have to just call it. Oh, the candle flipped. The candle just doesn't have enough liquidity to drive all the way down, but it still can. And the reason for saying that is because we haven't actually grabbed those seller orders which are above those wicks. Alright, well, I'm going to call it here for the stream. I'll keep you guys updated. So my trading journal will always be updated. It's my personal journal. I do it for me. I'm also streaming for me. And I do my Instagram for me. It's all kind of portfolio building. What the fuck did I do here? No? Yeah, so these three will be filled, I'm sure, by the time I wake up tomorrow. I'll also keep the trades taken updated, and the reason for that is that so the next stream you can see the kind of final results, and then I'll wipe them for the next FOMC tomorrow. FOMC is going to be crazy, but this trade's enough for me to just call it a day. You had the bottom wick, so yeah, good stream. Streaming's it's fun. It's something new. I've not actually done it before, like I said. But I'll be in tomorrow, probably earlier, 7, to see what FOMC is all about. I'll probably be actually on before 7, maybe like 5 or some shit, I don't know. And then Thursday I'll also be streaming. It's probably New York, hopefully New York, because that's when I usually stream. Can actually provide some genuine value instead of Asian. But Asian's actually not been too bad today, to be honest. That was our kind of only volume candle. We were stuck in like a 36 pip. Well, what was this range again? Yeah, 30 pip range. And then we kind of got that nice breakout, which was 43 pips. Not bad. But it's one of those, again, just have to risk manage. I think this candle is likely to fill here before potentially, or it can do what it wants. It can project off at this area or it can project off of here before you get the flip to come down. And that's kind of the idea between the two trades. Okay, you want the flip like this. Alright, well, we're in the no man's land, so I'm not interested anymore. I'll keep watching it a little bit, but I'm gonna go fucking sleep, get some rest for tomorrow. And I'm essentially just going to move these take profits to these minor zones, because that's kind of all I can do in terms of managing my risk. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So at 360 is for the sells, so let's take the sells, take profit will be there, and then the buys, oh hold on, this is about to go off every time, but this is what the trade's gonna look like. I'll actually wait 5 minutes here. I want to see what happens. Or a minute. 5 closes above, then could be enough volume. But my sells is definitely look like this. I'm probably not gonna stay. I'm not gonna be awake for that shit. Okay, so sells take profit at 2566.36. Stop loss 2583.45. Yes, 45. That's the sells. If this 5 closes, then I could probably risk manage the buys, but if it doesn't, then both of the take profits are at 2576.850. Stop loss at 2560. 2560. Just 2560. Sorry, I'm trying to work this out because yeah, 2560 is the stop loss for both of these. Okay, so the 5, oh, fuck's sake. The 5 broke into the range, almost tapped break-even buys, reset, broke back into the range. Can we get a bottom wick so I can sleep? Without a bottom wick, especially on the 5, it's gonna be tough because I need the bottom wick so I don't have to stay awake to manage when it gets to this level, if it gets to the level. Alright, this is the second drive. I'm gonna be very wary here. Weary. Nice bottom wick, probably do a steeper one. That wasn't steep enough. Oh, I was trying to fix the chat. I should replace that actually. Streamlabs. So my chat isn't fucking always there. I think we're not gonna get this bottom wick. We need it on this candle on the 15. Bro, I'm gonna be up till 3. There we go. It's flipped again. Doesn't know what to do, bro. Does not know what to do. Yeah, it keeps flipping back and forth. The only reason why I'm still up is because I actually want to demonstrate what it's like or how I close trades, and I think we're kind of close to getting these buys. I don't want to be like, I don't want to come across as anything, so it's actually the only reason why I'm still awake. I actually want to close the trade live on stream, and I know I will tomorrow, but Asian session's brutal. They can give us this bottom wick. That'd be amazing. The bottom wick is on the top buy. The top green line. Oh, that's still not doing it, bro. Hey, wick fill. Nice. Now I can fucking go to bed, bro. Can I actually sleep? Can I actually sleep? No bottom wick. Actually, I can't sleep. Oh my god. It's whatever. As it decided, it broke the highs of its range candle. It should be able to fill the wick, find its resistance. The best outcome out of this would have been that bottom wick and then the flip, but we never got that. So now I need to. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the sells, to be honest. But we're about to secure these buys, which is great. If the sells, if price action rejects off of this orange line, then the sells could be saved. But to be honest, I'm not gonna be awake for it, so I have to take the loss on the sells, but it's alright. It's all good. It's just one of those things. It's probably going to be 4 in the morning. And now this candle is starting to flip. What is going on? Tell you what, because there's no bottom wick, I'm gonna add a sell limit, and I can't really do that though. I can't do that. I'm gonna write out the sells, bro. It's perfect. It's still a valid sell, so I'm just gonna fucking write it out. It doesn't really need risk manage if it's valid. Usually. But Asian will do whatever it does. Buyers are panic selling, getting out their positions quick. Because it got close to their break-even buys, now the sellers are coming in and selling. That's what's happening. But the buyers that are still holding are saying no, we can't go down. And what they're doing is inflating that fucking price. Now that price is going to go up till it taps that But this is one of those situations where it's going to tap it and you have to be quick because a lot of money is going to get taken out here. And that means that the selling pressure is going to be pretty big, which is good for us. I just kind of have this feeling, I don't know, there's no actual real analysis behind that other than just watching this candle and discretion and nuance from trading over 2 years. I'm waffling now. It's 2:25. I need to fucking sleep. The stream quality. Okay, the stream quality was never up, but we are certainly at a massive decline. I'm just kind of saying stuff. We flipped from that. That's crazy. Okay, can we get the bottom wick? Please, can we get the bottom wick? Nice. Nice. So, the sells are okay to just ride out. We're good to just ride the sells out. Right, I'm calling it. I'm calling it, bro. I can't be here anymore. This doesn't look like it's gonna flip anytime soon. This is gonna look like it's gonna do a bunch of this. And then, or even worse. So, I am calling it a stream. Good though, good that I made the bottom wick, that's kind of what I wanted. That's close enough, to be honest. I mean, rather a bit of a steeper wick, but it's alright. Wick, flip, drive. If we can, like, oh, we're flipping now though. This 5 can flip, I won't call it. I'm over 2 minutes. It's close though. It's definitely gonna tap it, which is annoying because I actually want to be on stream to do it. It just wasn't quite enough. Okay, there's the bottom wick. Right, I'm off, guys. I appreciate no one for joining the stream. It's just me. Nah, it's good fun though. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and stream FOMC. Hopefully a more effective stream with more value, better quality, and yeah, man. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll let you go. Like I said, I'll let you guys know how these trades go. I've got my last 3 on my journal will show that, and I'll also update the streaming record. But for now, we're risking, we're having our, oh, you can't even see what I'm looking at. Yeah, so we're gonna have our take profit levels set to these minor zones, okay? Because we can't really risk this live, so we have to just do what we can to mitigate risks as much as we can. Anyway, great first stream. I've had some ups and downs, but yeah, man, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
Do we have a problem? I said, do we have a problem?
3-6 hours. I don't need flowers. I need me a grow house. You gone 20 clip, only gonna social. Yeah, see, tell him. Fuck going through the ghetto in a hearse. I'd rather go through nights bitch in the years. The love that I've been giving ain't got seen back in return. They say that life's a gift, so I feel like I've been cursed. Playing Kirby's on the curb. I told my young G focus and you better watch and learn. I promise if you focus you will link me in the burbs. Promise. I promise when they're rapping it's all fictitious. I made a promise to the block and brung on 6 figures. I made a mess all of his top with all them incisions. And we ain't cutting through the block unless we're in dingers. My boys in Cali sticking weed all in warehouses. I'm being smart with my money, I need spare houses. You'd think I do more rapping, I do bare counting. I used to do bare bagging up in fiends' houses. I see Tony on the dirty on the chair gouging. When I used to have the jacket with a tear down it. You'd the type to have a 1 pot with a spare round in. I had a 38 in nannies, not no shared housing. Fuck going through the ghetto in a hearse. When all my life I've been considered as the worst. I'm in nice bitch 4 shanks in a Merc. Cause uptown just to put you in the dirt. Fuck going through the ghetto in a hearse. I'd rather go through nights bitch in the years. The love that I've been giving ain't got seen back in return. They say that life's a gift, so I feel like I've been cursed. Playing Kirby's on the curb. I told my young G focus and you better watch and learn. I promise if you focus you will link me in the burbs. Promise. I am not a trapper, this a disclaimer. This is entertainment, I'm an entertainer. I'm a Scorpio, baby, I can see you later. We can only fuck once, more time I just face fuck. Melody, Penelope, Kaya, Angeline. These ain't even hoes, they my growers and they Cantonese. I'm flexing on these broke boys, bring the racks out. On the sofa in the kitchen, blow back out. To the time out for a while now, but I'm back now. Took some time out for a while, yeah, but I'm back now. Can't get rid of this farm, yeah, I got cash cows. I got bricks for sale, bring the sign out. And if you fuck around, you're gonna find out. Fuck going through the ghetto in a hearse. I'd rather go through nights bitch in the years. The love that I've been giving ain't got seen back in return. They say that life's a gift, so I feel like I've been cursed. Playing Kirby's on the curb. I told my young G focus and you better watch and learn. I promise if you focus you will link me in the burbs. Promise.
Alright, enough trolling. Last song, boys.
Just come outside for the night. Take your time, get your life. Got it done. I mean, The career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping that kombucha, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that be babe. Well, alright, tryna fight in the night. Come alive, ain't it sneak? Ain't it?
I just made pop my shit, get it live, hold up. Yeah, you try to come around at the shit, they popping your tires, hold up. Shit, 100 round, feeling like I'm on team, playing both sides of the whole world. Shot out, I'm fucking your friends. I've been going crazy, shot, I've been in the deep end. She not in the scene, she just tryna go. I just been my hoes. I just been dripping my hoes.